Hey everybody, we're gonna have a little bit of fun today. As you can see, I have the Smart Pro and I have a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. However, you see I have a couple guests here with us. We have Megan and Ian, both part of the CLK Supplies sales team. So this is the deal. We've done a lot of programming videos where I come out, Connor and I, he's holding the camera right now, and done a little shake for you. We go through and we program it, right? But it's what I want to do, like through the comments, a lot of people have talked about how, like, what is it really like programming for the first time? Well, Ian and Megan, they have not really ever programmed a vehicle before, outside of like me over their shoulder really quick with little instruction.
You're right.
Showing how to do it, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna have them program with the Smart Pro, which is, you know, one of the easier tools to use.
For using the Smart Pro, I am not too nervous. It seems pretty straightforward in all the videos that I know PJ's done in the past.
Even though I've only been here a short time, I've got a lot of experience helping customers out, solving their issues, contacting customer service with AD, getting all that information for them.
And let's see how they do, okay? Now, Megan, have you been studying up for this?
Not too much.
Not too much?
Not too much.
Like you didn't watch a bunch last night?
No, I probably should have though, huh? Now
Yeah.
that I'm thinking about it, it's a little late for that.
Perfect, you know, that's perfect. And then Ian, have you been studying up for this?
Actually, I was doing some customer support work for a customer yesterday, so I was doing some research on it.
So you're a little more brushed up?
Yes, sir.
Okay, a little more brushed up. So we're gonna be using just the Y170 key, right, on this Fabric for this vehicle, and they're already cut and we're ready to go. But this is the deal. If you have watched a bunch of the videos and you've bought a machine and you're getting ready to go out and program a vehicle and you have a customer there, it's gonna be a little scary, right? It's gonna be a little scary. So to kind of like up the pressure for these two, whoever programs it in the shortest amount of time is gonna get this formerly crisp $50 bill. All right? So, I mean, are you guys ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Are you?
Yeah.
All right, well, hey, let's get to work and we'll come back and we'll see who the winner is.
All right, we are plugged in, ready to go on the 2018 Dodge Caravan. I'm gonna hit vehicle selection. Going against Ian in this, I might have a little bit of a leg up in this because I've been around a little bit longer and I've seen the videos probably more, but I know he has done a little bit of work with it, so I guess we'll see. Let's do this again. Dodge Caravan. Okay. We're gonna disconnect that. We're gonna start over. Switch ignition on. All right, we're gonna start from scratch. It's getting warm. Okay, all right. We're gonna switch ignition on. I'm gonna click OK. I'm turning the vehicle all the way on. It's just slightly on. You're not starting the engine, you're just turning on the vehicle itself. So that's not working either. It's a lesson learned for sure. Oh, nope, we don't wanna do that. Nope, we're gonna stop that. We're gonna program this key. We're gonna click yes. It still remembered the PIN code, thank goodness. Thank you, Smart Pro, for remembering for me. Detecting new key, total number of keys 3, okay. Procedure complete. And just like that, the key is programmed to the vehicle and we've got a new one. And there we go, there we have it. We are good to go. All right, we're done programming. I'm not proud of my time. I did a lot of work to try to get this programmed, but I didn't erase any of the keys. I didn't break the car or the Smart Pro, and the key at the end was programmed. So I guess that's a win for me.
Select vehicle, Dodge. All right, Grand Caravan. Vehicle info. I feel pretty confident. I know Megan's been here quite a bit longer than I have, and so I do have some stiff competition, but you know what? I think I can beat this. I do a lot of customer support, so I think it's in the bag. Select what option you're doing, adding a key. Once you do that, just following the prompts. This is super simple. Keys. Yes. And that's it. Reinsert the key. And she works. Look at that. Well, it went fast. Everything was just plug and play, just like what everybody else has told me about this programmer. It works. It's very simple to use. There's really nothing to it. As you're programming, it's just plug and play.
All right, so let's talk about it for a minute. So Megan, you went first. How was like breaking the ice on it?
It was a little rough, but we made it work. It worked in the end. That's all that matters.
Yep. You know, if it was a real customer, you'd be getting paid.
I'd be getting paid for the job.
Right,
absolutely.
going home. That's great. Ian, how was it?
Having done a little bit of research, helping customers, this is the best machine I've had hands on yet. Super simple, straight to the point. I was able to program it quite quickly. This is the tool that's gonna get the job done.
All right, well, hey, you know, I have to admit, I did enjoy sipping on a Topo Chico while you guys were programming, okay? So, Connor, who was the winner?
Should I just move the camera to who won?
Move the camera to who won.
This guy.
Ian is the winner. So Ian, you know what? I'm gonna grab that Smart Pro from you and I'm gonna trade you for a crisp $50,
Sweet.
formerly crisp $50 bill.
Good job.
Good job, man. Good job. And Megan, get them next time.
Oh, I will.
And hey, make sure you tell us how you think both Megan and Ian did in the comments below. And make sure you include the hashtag LockBoss to get automatically entered in to win one of 5 free prizes that we give away every week. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, Connor, man, can you see my feet in that net? Oh, okay.
Just say, can you see my feet?
Can you see my feet?